So finally, as the last method of data protection, we are going to look at segmentation and isolation. So organizations implement various strategies to protect systems from unauthorized access, and segmentation and isolation are two of the key approaches, or some of the key approaches, which are used to control how systems communicate across networks in order to protect our data. So these techniques are essential components of a comprehensive network security strategy, helping organizations maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their most critical data and systems while minimizing potential attack surfaces. So let's start with segmentation or network segmentation. So network segmentation, this is where sensitive systems are placed on dedicated networks, separate networks in simple terms. Sensitive systems are put on a different network and the rest of the organization is on a different network. And how does this help? It helps to provide controlled communication where systems can communicate within their segments. So communication is controlled. Our systems communicate within the segment they are in, or within the network segment they are in. Then strict restrictions, limited ability to communicate with systems on the other network. So what segmentation does, first of all, our sensitive systems are on a separate network, and there is controlled communication within the organization as systems communicate within the different segments they are located in, and strict restrictions on inter-segment communication. So communication from one segment to another is highly restricted and monitored. So this network segmentation creates boundaries between the different parts of the network, allowing sensitive systems to communicate with each other while implementing 6 controls on cross-network communication. This approach reduces the attack surface by containing potential breaches within a single segment rather than exposing the entire network. I think that's good explanation enough. Then let's look at isolation, which is more severe means of protection. So isolation takes security a step further than segmentation by completely cutting off systems from outside networks. For it, it completely cuts off systems from outside networks, and this approach provides maximum protection for highly sensitive systems containing critical data or performing essential functions. So isolated networks are often used for systems that process classified information, critical infrastructure, or handle financial transactions. So isolation is a bit more severe and more of a maximum stricter type of protection than segmentation. It entails a complete separation of systems where a system is fully cut off from outside networks. No inbound access. The external systems cannot connect with the isolated networks, and no outbound access. Isolated systems cannot connect with external networks. So these systems are completely isolated and they function alone without communication with different networks, inbound or outbound. Thank you very much. I believe that's it for data protection methods. Yes.